hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like.
What's up, y'all? We in the car.
I was mom. So you just gonna let your mom wait?
Man,
I mean, I don't mind.
man, like, why? That's disrespectful. But we in the car.
Really, who taking you home?
Nathan, what do you mean by that question?
You're not taking me home? She would. I just said we gotta take you.
You ain't talk. Wait, she didn't think that?
I told her. I literally told Nathan.
But yeah. We just got back from the beach.
So I know you ain't moving, so why I gotta move?
Cause she's your mom. Cause that's your mom, and I'ma move when you move. But how was the beach? I got sand in my eyes and shit.
I got sand all over my hair, and now I gotta do this shit. But I do like the bangs though.
Oh yeah, it's definitely given. What about your hair? Let's put the clip.
It's better now.
It's given. It needs to wash. It needs to be washed.
I know I need to wash. Sand behind your ear.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
Mom's gonna be like, what happened to you?
I'm gonna get back to y'all. This is so embarrassing. I should. Okay, bye. Okay, so I finished my hair, and now I'm gonna. Oh shoot! Trying to do my face a little bit. It came out pretty good. This actually, I don't know why. This is actually not that bad of a. Like there's no spaces and nothing. So that's good because there's, bro, spaces always pop up. I'm telling y'all right now. For some reason, like spaces. See, there's some forming right now. Spaces always form in my super dries. So that's what I gotta make sure does not happen anymore. Yeah. Okay.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like.
First of all, I got story mode on TikTok. I'm gonna turn up. Damn. I got story mode on TikTok.
Come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can.
Talk about my palette being dirty. You're anti-black. Anyways,
I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
I need some earrings. I like jewelry and stuff, but oh.
You'll try to come back when you faint. 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you.
I'll get back to y'all if we go to the place. We probably not. But it's whatever. Okay. Hey y'all.
Oh, what?
It's what day is it?
It's Sunday.
It's July 9th. Will y'all see me? Sorry. I'm gonna rip that picture. So we on the way to the fair.
Bro, stop. I look like Look at this video. Maybe I should have just went and got secretly locked up, and then now just deal with the repercussions of Mason Richardson later.
We on this shuttle. Then trying to get to the.
So we're in section.
I look rough.
We're talking about you.
My son needed too many. Where the? I'm trying to. We driving and stuff, girl. This is a mess.
It's not that far.
It really isn't. We should have walked. Yeah. There's so many people on here.
Take people on here.
Ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out runners. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running.
Hey y'all, we got the whole crew here with us. Thugging with our rounds. Our and our booty hose is brown. I'm under the 8. We looking for the hose. Quit playing. Come up, toes. I'm sorry. We finna get on this though. We riding a bike. Right, get back. Imagine a dude riding a bike from the rest season. Oh my god, who's lighter? Come here. That's so risky. Damn, don't put all the darkies in the bag. I'm darker than you. You ain't them. Yeah, let's go here. Yeah, we just saw like 4 2-mans for them too. We damn near finna put them on, bruh. But you know, I gotta say it was the game for real. Yeah. What you guys say to the girl on Wiz? Oh. Cut the camera. Bro. I've been on this ride. Are you scared? Rachel scaredness. Scaredness on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm hella scared. Girl, my scaredness is gone. Take the spectacles off. Wait, y'all. What if we go up? How am I feet?
5 minutes later.
Woohoo! Oh, hell no. Look at that. How y'all feeling after that ride? That was fun. Oh, shit, boy. What? Yeah. Wait, what? No. Oh, y'all, the one ride was like... It's like hella fun, though. I almost started crying on this one. Y'all. What, bro?
Honestly, I want to sit down for a second. Grab on too.
Yeah. Okay. Put your hands up before you go. What is it, y'all? Oh my god! Oh, fuck! Oh no! This girl hella scared. This shit funny. I need a water. We're waiting for this ride. We just got off for this one. What you guys say? I feel sick. Bro, probably need a loan. This is a broke girl who need a loan.
Oh, I didn't pay for your motherfucking Mexican food.
You did it. Hey y'all. Just baby. Oh, give me, hold on. So baby. Hold on. We better get on this ride. It's called the Mega Flip. We finna mega flip. What?
Not me.
You almost fell. Why 5 people just cut us? Man.
Who's calling Marcel?
Yo.
Hello, Granny? I'm still like the fan, Granny.
Granny?
Oh, Lord. It's riding. I don't even know, Granny.
Get me out, bro.
Hello, Granny?
Hey y'all, so we're leaving now, guys. Yeah, my phone ran out of storage. But
Biddy.
it ain't gonna stop nothing, it ain't gonna stop the grind. How y'all felt?
My feet hurt and my back hurt.
All right, amen. Holler.
Feeling all right, feeling all right.
Feeling all right, amen. How would you rate your experience on 1 to 10?
10 out of 10.
6.5.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
You?
My feet hurt. And my
How
back
would you
hurt.
rate the experience? Nobody care about that.
That's my rating.
6.5.
What would you rate it, Asa?
4.
4? She a negative nushy. I rate mine.
Slide over, y'all.
I rate mine not an 8 out of 10. It would have been a 10 if the lines were so long. Now what's the one to take me on?
For that bed.
Me too, girl. Girl. This is our first expedition.
You still up there?
I said the first, not the last. And our last expedition is going back to school shopping together. We're probably not really gonna get a lot though, because their malls don't really have a lot. But I'm gonna get something. I'm gonna walk out with something.
We're gonna walk out with the press.
For
What
some,
day y'all trying to go?
probably some Wetzel Pretzel. That's all I'm gonna walk out with.
Y'all can go Saturday?
Next weekend?
Yeah.
No.
Why would you ask me that?
August 6th.
August 6th. August 16th. I can go the weekend after. No, I can't.
Girl, what do you do?
Why do we take the shuttle?
Cause ain't no shuttle. It wasn't there. Yeah, they just now coming. Right, we were standing there in the cold, freezing.
Master God, hey, go. So we're gonna get back to y'all when we get in the car where we'll be singing our songs and stuff. Cause nobody, baby. Get ass.
I don't try to paint the Lord up above. Smile up on my face, I'm like, oh, yes, I'm blessed. Yes, I'm blessed. Yes. Playing cards, laughing hard, barbecuing, waking up the whole block.